America's drug crisis taking a deadly toll on a group you might not expect, women over the age of 40.
The number of middle-aged women who have died of overdose has quadrupled since 1999, according to the CDC.
ABC 15's Sonu Wasu takes us inside substance abuse treatment centers, looking into why these women are getting hooked.
And how some are fighting to get back in control of their lives and families.
We're talking about women between the ages of 40 to 64, and what we're learning is they're getting hooked not just on pain pills and heroin, but also alcohol.
I never dreamt in a million years that I would become an alcoholic, and I could not stop. My children begged me to stop.
I would say I got addicted right away. I was taking massive amounts of oxycodone.
They are addictions that impacted families, destroyed trust, took over their lives. And for both these women, the out-of-control behavior started later in life.
I did not start drinking until I was 47.
Both Christine Wolfe and Pamela Aguilou are part of a dangerous trend. According to the CDC, the fastest growing segment of addicts in the country now, middle-aged women, most of whom are mothers.
Soccer moms become addicts. We are just as liable to become an addict as anybody else.
Researchers call it an evolving epidemic. The number of overdose deaths increased by 260% since 1999.
Surprised you're alive today?
I am very surprised. There are times I should have been dead.
Aguilou also grateful she did not become a statistic.
And the last thing I remember is the ER physician saying, "We need the Narcan now," and then I was out.
The big question researchers are now trying to answer, why middle-aged women?
We see these women come in and they are hopeless, and the transition is miraculous.
Cheryl Hawley is the clinical program director at Valley Hope, an addiction treatment center. She believes a lot of this has to do with women trying to put on a strong face, the roles of being a mom, a wife, taking care of family, coming before themselves.
You hit middle age and you think you've got it all figured out. And we live in a society where we take pills for everything.
Both Pam and Christine want every family to know there is hope. Christine found it at crossroads when she hit rock bottom with alcohol addiction.
I'd black out. I couldn't stop. I would drink until I blacked out.
Both women ready to share their stories with the world to send a message that it is possible to feel free again.
I used to wake up hungover, praying I could find a drink, and now I wake up thankful that I'm alive.
For today, I'm sober because I'm going to be an addict until I draw my last breath.
But they are recovering addicts who are in control, here because they know their families still need mom today. In Phoenix, Sonu Wasu, ABC 15, Arizona.
Well, dealing with any family member who is an addict can be extremely tough. Sometimes the hardest part, just talking about it. So to help you out, just head over to abc15.com. There's more on this story and how to start that tough conversation about addiction.